Get up. What time do you usually get up in the morning?
I usually arise around 6:30.
Turn on. Could you please turn on the lights?
Sure, I'll switch on the lights.
Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the TV before bed.
I'll deactivate it, thanks.
Run out of. We've run out of milk. I'll buy some more.
Yes, we've depleted it. Please get more.
Look for. I need to look for my keys. I can't find them.
I'll help you search for them.
Give up. I won't give up trying to learn the guitar.
That's the spirit. Don't quit.
Come across. I came across an old friend at the store.
That's great. Did you encounter anyone else?
Look forward to. I look forward to the weekend. It's been a long week.
I anticipate it too. Let's make plans.
Put off. Let's put off the meeting until next week.
Okay, we'll delay it.
Take off. It's hot. I'll take off my jacket.
I'll remove mine as well.
Put on. I need to put on my coat. It's cold outside.
Yes, please dress in something warm.
Set up. We'll set up a new project team.
Let's establish roles and responsibilities.
Call off. They had to call off the picnic due to rain.
It's a shame they had to cancel it.
Break up. They decided to break up after 5 years.
They decided to terminate their relationship.
Go out. I'm planning to go out with Lisa this Saturday.
That's great. We can date and hang out.
Get along with. I get along with my coworkers very well.
That's wonderful. It's essential to get on with them.
Bring up. I wanted to bring up the new project idea.
That's a good time to mention it.
Check in. Please check in at the front desk.
I've registered. Thank you.
Check out. Let's check out this new lead.
We'll investigate and explore it thoroughly.
Run into. I ran into Mary at the coffee shop.
How nice. Did you encounter any other friends?
Look up. I need to look up the latest news.
Sure, I'll research and find information on it.
Put up with. I can't put up with his constant complaints.
It's tough to endure constant complaints.
Go on. The show must go on, regardless of the weather.
We're ready for it to continue.
Show up. I'll show up at the party around 8 p.m.
Great. We'll be waiting for you to arrive.
Take on. We need to take on this new project.
We're ready to undertake and tackle it.
Hold on. Anna, please hold on while I transfer your call.
I'll wait and hang on for the transfer.
Get over. It took me a while to get over that illness.
I'm glad you could recover from it.
Back up. I'll back up your proposal in the meeting.
Thanks for supporting my proposal.
Fill in. Can you fill in for me at the reception desk?
Sure, I can substitute and provide information for you.